Thank you. Another great review from somebody on the Great Investments Program. Themis has written, I've been a member of the Great Investments Program for the last 5 years, and despite listening to several Alpesh's regular webinars during this time, it wasn't until May 2023 that I finally got the memo. Better late than never. Alpesh's insights into comparative performance of the S&P 500 versus the FTSE was an eye-opener. I finally plucked up the courage, ditched my entire UK holdings and ventured into the US market. I've not looked back since. My US portfolio has far exceeded my expectation. Financially, one of the best decisions I ever made. A huge thank you, Alpesh. I'm going to reply back to him to thank him. The point is, okay, sometimes people take longer to know themselves and be willing to do the right thing for their portfolios. You might also say 2023 and 2024 were very good years. And in the Great Investments Program, we actually show people that in actual fact, what the drawdowns can be. We create model portfolios for them so they can see stock by stock, individual month by month, that there are some months when their individual stock could drop month after month after month, and yet they get great returns overall in the portfolio. So think at the portfolio level, and there can be years, or indeed actually months, where half their portfolio is down and double digits, some of those stocks, but not to panic or get bored, because at the portfolio level overall, we know it does well. Historically, it's done well. So May 2023 was a good time to have done this. January 2023 was even better time to do it. Good that he didn't do it in 2022 in any event, when we told all the students to go into cash. And I suspect that's one of the reasons why he didn't do it in 2022. And of course, up till now, 2025 has been good. But what about the negative years? What about when there's a move to the downside? What will happen then? Well, the protection that he has against that time is that we show the historic performances and we give the psychological assurance, the mentoring, and the hand-holding, so he knows, well, actually, these are good quality, resilient companies. And rather like Warren Buffett, he can be relaxed when the markets fall because he might buy more. He might even have a bit of schadenfreude and look around and go, everyone else is worried, I don't need to be. And beyond that, might even say that actually, I'll just open another portfolio with my gains, which complements the first one. There's all sorts of options, and that's what we lead people through. Anyway, great to have a review. I'm going to reply back publicly now to Themis and thank him. I hope you like that. I hope it gave some insight into what we do, how we do it, why we do it. Thank you.